Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how security works in the GoldTech Retail Management System. As an overview, first off, security in the system is divorced and are not a part of Windows security. That is by design, so that you can have people working at the POS without any access to your Windows environment or your network. You can give them a separate user ID and password that's defined within the GoldTech system that is not part of Windows. Let's get started. We go into employees, and the two areas we're looking at are security groups and security users. In the GoldTech system, security is managed by groups and areas and access doors. So essentially, a door is defined as an access point that you can go into the system. If you can get through that security, if you have rights to get through that security door, as you see over here on the right where it says browse states, countries, if you have rights to go through that door, you can do that function. If you can't, it asks for a manager override. If you can't get someone with a valid override, you can't go in there and do that function. It's that simple. We're going to start with the cashiers group as an example, and the different areas. It's defined down in areas, but you really care about groups. You can add your own groups to the system. I'll back up one level. Out of the box, we give the administrators group, cashiers group, GM fulfillment, inventory manager, managers, and production. The reason they're already set up for you is there are thousands of entry points, and you do not want to have to go define them all yourselves to each group. However, you can, but we give you a starting point. Obviously, the administrators group is going to have access to everything. But let's go look at the cashier. We'll show all members in the cashiers group. These are the different users. We'll cover that in a separate video. And go look at employees. They have no access. Fulfillment, no access. Let's go to the register. We'll start at the top. And these are just examples of what you can do. Anything that has a green checkbox means that group has access to do that function. Apply discounts. They can't look at customer coupons, but they can look at the digital coupons. You can browse items by UPC. They can browse transactions. But more management level functions, they can't do. Gift card, but you could change that. This is up to you. If you want to grant that group access to do cash pickup, you just click grant. If you want to clear it, just click clear. It removes it off of it. Now, over on the left, you see the current users within that group. You can click insert to add a new user or not. We'll select Ed. He's now part of this group. You want to remove someone from the group? You just click delete. It's that simple. You want to add a new group? You click insert. We're going to call it the banking group. We want to give them full access to the cash management functions. These are people that are working in the cash office in the back. You click grant all. That group has everything. Then all you have to do is add users to the group. Right now, we only have one user. So we click OK. It's that easy to set up. See you on the next video.